Alright, this is the 8th time we're going to try this. Alright, let me plug it in. No, wait, let me put the cord in. Let me find the plug here. Let me turn it on. Now, let's see what happens here. Alright, nothing. Everything is the same as it was before. Let's see if it will auto home. Nope, exactly the same as it was before. Just raises an inch or two and then the bridge stops. Nothing else happens and the board is locked. You can't do anything with it. Period. End of story. But yet I keep doing this over and over again. I think that my ex-wife has something to do with this to make me crazy. Take the card out. Let me shut it off again. Let me unplug it.